हैप्पीएस्ट मोमेंट जो अभी तक मैंने अपने डैड के साथ फील किया है इज़ द ट्रिप दैट यू गेव मी टू फ्रांस. Basically, I was young.
She was what, 15 years old, in which class?
I think 9.
Ninth.
9. So basically, I was a big movie buff, and watching DDLJ always made me feel कि मेरे डैड मुझे कब बोलेंगे जा सिमरन जा जी ले अपनी ज़िंदगी. And Paris was that जी ले अपनी ज़िंदगी for me.
You have to return that trip to me when I am around 55 years old or so.
Definitely.
So you will have to send me to Paris now.
Definitely. Once I start earning, my
Yeah,
first salary will
that's
be
what
for
I'm
you.
saying. Huh?
So when I was a kid, it was hard for me to fall asleep. I don't know why. I was very I was suffering from insomnia. I don't know what. So my dad used to carry me in his arms and walk back and forth, back and forth, back and forth till the time I couldn't sleep.
गुड. इतनी छोटी थी, तेरे को याद है?
हाँ याद है मेरे को.
कैसे?
बहुत सब कुछ याद है.
इतने छोटे किसी बच्चे को याद नहीं हो सकता.
नहीं है याद.
मम्मा ने बताया होगा.
आपने बताया हुआ है. मैं
सुन
ऐसे
के
करता
याद
था,
हो
मैं
गया.
ये करता था, मैं वो करता था.
तो वो तो झूठ भी हो सकता है.
ठीक है फिर.
ठीक है.
अभी भी तो सुलाते हो.
ये है. सोती तो अब तो फिर भी सोने लग गई.
पहले तो
Good. और बस और कोई नहीं है हैप्पीएस्ट में.
और तो आपने कुछ किया नहीं.
मैंने बताया नहीं. इसलिए याद नहीं है. बड़े होने की भी तो कोई हुई. भूल गए.
भूल गई.
मतलब जो छोटी वाली याद है.
क्या पापा तंग क्यों कर रहे हो मेरे को?
मतलब तब से कोई अच्छा काम ही नहीं किया मैंने.
करा होगा. बहुत सारे किया ना, तो सारे याद नहीं आ रहे
सारे
एकदम से.
हम तीनों पिलो फाइट करते हैं और नैना अपने टेंट्रम्स बताती है, अपनी ज़िद बताती है, उसको ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, तो वो सब हम उस टाइम उसका फुलफिल करते हैं और उसकी जो नई नई कहानियाँ होती हैं वो सब हम नैना से सुनते हैं.
ये हमारी हर बात रिपीट करती है, पापा ये करना है, मम्मा ये करना है.
तो फिर कहेगी मेरे को आपने अपनी शादी में नहीं बुलाया, मुझे शादी में जाना है कहीं.
Yeah, my happiest moment with my father is actually like it happens a lot. Like whenever I hug my father, that's the happiest moment. She copied me. No, it's the thing is that I don't know. I just don't like being hugged by anyone else except my father. And my father,
especially not your mother.
because whenever Mama hugs me, she tries to smother me. Whenever Nandini hugs me, she tries to, I don't know what. But when I hug Papa, it's like giving a nice bear hug and a nice warm hug. And even at school, I don't like hugging any of my friends, only my father. In school, she likes hugging me. I don't. It's just...
And Nandini is Agar. And what about you?
My happiest moments are when you come back from office and your trips.
And otherwise?
And then we hug you. Also, my happiest moments are when we go to Big Bazaar for shopping.
Yeah.
Like whenever Mama is not there and only three of us go for shopping.
That's true.
Actually, when Mama is not there and three of us go anywhere. And Mama is not there to spoil the fun and comment on how much food we are eating. And also when we are all four sitting in one room and we're making fun of Mama. Yeah.
I'm proud of her in the sense she's an independent child. She wants to live her own life, she wants to do her own things, let her do it. I've given her independence to do those things और ठीक है, सही रही है उस हिसाब से.
I'm proud of my daughter because she's the lifeline of our house. Whenever she's not at home, it's very dull and very bekar. And I'm sure she'll make me more and more proud with
I will.
every
For
passing
sure.
day.
I am proud overall. I mean, there's no particular moment of it. I am proud of them for whatever they have done and whatever they will be doing later on in life. So I am proud. I am a proud father.
No.
I'm
She's
your beta.
she's perfect. Much better than many of the sons.
No. No. Never.
Not at all.
there's this thing that Mama told me once that whenever Papa was young, he used to always say that if he had a daughter, he'd name her Nandini.
Yeah, that's true.
And now we'll ask the Mama to come in and small them both, all three of them. Please do it right now on camera.
No, this is so sad. No, it's a happy moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the fondues that they eat without me. Oh.